Hi, I just want to tell you about my experience with Dr. Corbin. 22 years ago, I had silicone saline breast implants put in, and I'd had them all that time, and they were encapsulating. So I needed to find a surgeon that could help me. And then at the same time, I'm 57 years old, so I wanted to find someone to help me. My neck was drooping, my eyes, I didn't have bags, but I had, I don't know, like sunken, and I'd gone through a lot with my grandmother and health problems and stuff, and I just felt tired. There was no amount of makeup. I could have slept 100 years and it wasn't going to help. I just felt like, oh my God, when I looked in the mirror in the morning. So I did my homework, and I met with 3 different surgeons and had consultations to see what they could do for me. And I listened to each one, and each one had a different take on what I needed and how they were going to do the procedure and the recovery and everything. I was a little apprehensive. I wanted it done so bad, but I was a little apprehensive because, oh my gosh, spending money on myself. How foolish, how selfish. But in the end, I just decided, you know, this is where I have to live, in this body, and if I'm not happy looking at myself, how do other people feel looking at me, looking tired? And so I had a consultation with Dr. Corbin, and after speaking with him, I just knew he was the right person. Every question I asked of him, he answered. His answers made sense to me, where some of the others left me wondering. And I just felt like he was looking out for my best interest. He wasn't overly aggressive with his, with what he wanted to do to me. Some of them, you know, I'm 57. I didn't want to try and look like I'm 21. And when I told him that I really thought I wanted him to do it, I said, whatever you do, please don't make me look like a dog with its head out the window going fast. And he just thought that was crazy. But anyhow, we had a good laugh over that. But anyhow, the surgery, I would recommend it to anyone. You look kind of like you've been in a car wreck for about a week, but it's really not painful. You just look ugly for about a week, and then you're fine. And every day gets better, and the staff here is so kind and so caring, and I just couldn't ask for anything better. My whole experience was wonderful. I've told everyone I know. I'm not real secretive, so I mean, I just am thrilled. So if anyone is considering this or afraid of the pain is minimal. I mean, I've been sick with other things that thought I was going to die, and this, it's just a little soreness, and then it's over, and you have a better life. So anyhow, I hope this helped you. Thanks. Bye.